Nick the network engineer is busy prepping for his next business trip to Cisco Live. As fate would have it, Dave from DevOps has come with a request to onboard a new custom application for optimization. The environment for the app is 2 Kubernetes clusters, a cloud-based production environment and an on-prem development one. Normally, the collaboration with DevOps is not always a simple ask, but it can be with the power of Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN. From the SD-WAN manager, both Kubernetes applications can quickly be onboarded and optimized. He uploads a YAML configuration file to enable the on-prem cluster, and for the production environment, he utilizes cloud credentials to enable specific clusters. From there, Nick can easily discover application workloads, as well as define attributes such as traffic class and business relevance. He's capable of doing much more with his newly discovered app, but for this request, he'll execute the usual Cloud OnRamp for SaaS workflow. Nick can now view the new homegrown application along with all the other apps being optimized on Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN, allowing him more time to prepare for Cisco Live. To learn more about Cisco Cloud OnRamp for SaaS, please visit cs.co/core SaaS.